Good evening and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So I was actually just about to get in the shower, unwind and do my skincare for the evening. That was when something super exciting arrived. My Amiro Beauty Spectra 5-in-1 LED light therapy mask, and I am so excited to try this. So I thought we could unbox it together, do my skincare and try this mask out. But I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Amiro Beauty for sponsoring this video and kindly giving me this light therapy mask to try out. They have also given you guys an exclusive discount code, which I'll pop on screen now. That is Emily90, and that will get you $90 off your order. So you can either treat yourself or somebody special this Christmas. I will also link it in the description box down below, so do make sure you check that out before you leave. But let's get to it. Let's unbox this, get in the shower and test it out. Okay, so I've just done my skincare and now it's time to try out the Amiro 5-in-1 LED mask. I've heard so much about this mask, so I'm super excited to actually put it to the test. Let's talk about how to use it, the different modes to put it in, and of course how my skin feels after using it. So let's jump in. First off, using this mask is super simple. The remote control is rechargeable, so you'll need to charge that before the first use. I did that when I was in the shower, so it is fully charged now. And then once it is fully charged, all you do is connect it to your mask, just like that. Super easy, super straightforward. I then went and cleansed my skin, removed any makeup, and once you're happy, your skin's clean, you pop the mask on, press and hold the on button, and then choose between the different modes on the device. So that is literally depending on what your skin needs. One of my favourite things about this mask is it's so quick. Each session lasts only 5 minutes. It has a real-time countdown, so you can just sit back and relax for a few minutes, knowing it'll automatically shut off when the treatment is done. It's such a quick treatment, it's so easy to add into your daily routine. You should use the mask about 3 to 5 times per week, but not for more than 30 minutes at a time. And here's the cool thing, you can actually use the different modes simultaneously if you're targeting different skin issues. So you can combine treatments for acne, brightening and firming all in one go. So I used the glow mode today, which actually has yellow, red and infrared light. But let me walk you through all 3 professional modes. First up, we have glow mode, obviously. This one uses yellow, red and infrared light. It's suitable for dull skin from late nights, which is exactly why I needed it, maintaining stability for lazy skincare routines, or daily brightening and smoothing that gives you that healthy glow. Next up, we have firm mode. So if you're looking to firm up the skin and fight fine lines, then this one uses red and infrared light to boost collagen production. Finally, we have the purifying mode, and this one's great for acne-prone skin and oil control. It helps calm inflammation and soothe your skin while clearing up any breakouts. This one actually uses blue, red, green, yellow and infrared light. This mask is packed with 5 different wavelengths: red, blue, green, yellow and near infrared. Here's a little more about the 5 LED light wavelengths and key skin benefits. The 415 nanometer blue light is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It targets the skin microbiome imbalance and helps reduce acne. The 525 nanometer green light is for oil control and soothing. This helps regulate excessive sebum and calms the skin. The 590 nanometer yellow light is for brightening. It reduces pigmentation, blemishes, redness, and evens the skin tone. The 630 nanometer red light is for repairing and anti-inflammatory. It speeds up the skin metabolism, supports tissue repair, and relieves inflammation. And lastly, for the 850 nanometer near infrared, this is for collagen boosting and anti-aging. It helps slow collagen breakdown and improves skin elasticity. and these are all clinically proven to improve your skin, with many users saying that they see results in as little as 7 days. Plus, it has the 5 different facial zones, so it can target all areas of your skin with more precise care, like oil control for your T-zone, firming for your contours, and anti-aging for your cheeks. I found this mask super lightweight and comfortable to wear, and I really like the ergonomic arm design. I just think it makes it super easy to use anytime, anywhere, whether you're chilling on the sofa or multitasking. It fits into your daily routine so effortlessly. Another bonus, the hard shell design makes the mask easy to clean and maintain. It prevents direct skin contact, which means it's more hygienic in the long run. Plus, the silicone eye shield is super soft and comfy. It keeps the mask safe on your face without light leakage, and it's vision safe, so you can wear it without worrying about your eyes. For me, one of the coolest features is the smart memory mode, and that just means that it remembers the settings from your last treatment, so you don't need to adjust them every time. It's just such a time saver. Overall, I'm really impressed with my Amiro Beauty 5-in-1 light LED mask. It combines 5 wavelengths for a more effective skincare, and at a better price than most single wavelength LED light masks. My skin feels smoother and brighter, and I'm excited to see how it improves with continued use. I definitely recommend this mask if you're looking for an effective way to target multiple skin concerns. Plus, it fits perfectly into my skincare routine. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you decide if this is the right mask for you. And don't forget, we have got an exclusive discount code, which I'll pop on screen now. That is Emily90, and that will get you $90 off of your order, so you can treat yourself or somebody special this Christmas. I will also link it in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. And while you're down there, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of my future videos. And another huge thank you to Amiro Beauty for sponsoring this video and making this unboxing and test possible. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next video.